3 simple steps to the best travel insurance for USA holidays. Traveling across the pond to the other side of the Atlantic can make a magnificent holiday, whether it's to take in a show on Broadway, enjoy the glamour of Vegas, or chill out on the beaches of California. However, although the US is often considered to be very similar to the UK, the health system is very different. And the potential costs of getting medical treatment, let alone the other risks such as losing luggage or cancelled flights, mean USA holiday insurance is an absolute necessity. The good news is that it is possible to get cheap travel insurance to USA without compromising on quality. We take a look at how to find the best travel insurance when going to the USA from UK in these 3 simple steps. Number 1. Compare US cover options. When you are booking your holiday, it's very easy to take out travel insurance for America at the same time. However, whilst that might be a convenient option, it's never been simpler to compare travel insurance to the USA, and this is the way you are likely to find the best USA travel insurance. Cheap travel insurance to America is bound to be one of your priorities, but it's important to look at the quality of the cover too. When carrying out a travel insurance to USA comparison, make sure you look at what's included in the price. As well as medical treatment, cancelled flights, dental treatment, delays, volcanic ash and terrorism can all be included but won't be covered by everyone. Taking out cheap holiday insurance for America might seem like a great money-saving idea, but if you end up not being able to claim, you could well regret not having more inclusive cover. Number 2. Consider your gadgets. If the notion of taking a trip without your iPhone or tablet fills you with dread, you need to make sure that all of your beloved electronic gadgets are adequately covered whilst you're away. Not all insurers cover items such as laptops, tablet PCs or mobile phones, so you will need to check the fine print before signing on the dotted line. If you find cheap American travel insurance but it doesn't include cover for your toys, you could consider taking out separate gadget insurance as well. You will need to compare travel insurance for America to see whether this works out cheaper than taking out a single more comprehensive policy. Number 3. Does the travel cover suit your plans? To get the best holiday insurance for USA, it's a good idea to think about how often you might travel and also what you plan on doing once you get there. For travel insurance, USA and Canada often come grouped together, so if you plan on crossing the border during your stay, the chances are you will be covered. However, if you plan on taking some time out for snow sports, you might not be insured unless your policy specifically includes sporting injuries. As a general rule, most insurers cover low-risk and casual sporting activities such as banana boats and sometimes bungee jumping, but for anything more involved, you usually have to upgrade. However, it's fairly easy to do this even if you bought your insurance online. If you travel frequently, you may have taken out an annual policy. This can be a very cost-effective way of getting holiday insurance and means you don't have to worry about your cover every time you plan a trip. Holiday Insurance USA visitor cover often means upgrading your existing annual policy, but most providers will be happy to do this if you decide you want to travel further afield than you originally planned. It's easy to get the most comprehensive cover for the lowest price if you take the above 3 points into account. Never be tempted to travel without insurance, as it only takes a small mishap for you to be left facing a bill for thousands of pounds. A longer lasting reminder of your holiday that you won't want to have.